What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to import designs from Figma into Webflow. While there's no direct import feature, there's a streamlined workflow to recreate your Figma designs in Webflow efficiently. So let's get started. First, open your design in Figma. Use Figma's export features to export images, icons, and other assets. Select the elements you want to export. In the export section, set the format PNG, SVG, etc. and scale 2x for Retina. Click Export. Now, in Figma, you can inspect elements to get CSS properties. Select an element, click on the Inspect tab to see CSS values like font size, color, spacing. In Webflow, create a new project or open an existing one. Start rebuilding your design by structuring your layout with sections, containers, and div blocks. Adding text blocks, headings, images, and other elements. Uploading your exported assets to the Assets panel. Use the CSS properties from Figma to style elements in Webflow. Match fonts, size, colors, margins, and paddings. For repeated components, consider creating symbols in Webflow for consistency. Recreate interactions using Webflow's Interactions panel. While it requires manual work, this method ensures a pixel-perfect translation of your Figma design into a functional Webflow site. And that's how you import and recreate a Figma design in Webflow. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more design tutorials. And I'll catch you next time.